get dressed with ease, here's a tip. Notice the thoughts you have when you go to get dressed. Are they productive? Are they helpful? Are they kind? Are they loving? Are they judgmental? Are they harsh? Notice what they are, and just realize that the thoughts you have when you go into your closet first thing in the morning is setting you up for a day. You're going to get dressed based on those thoughts. And how we dress, the thoughts we have about ourselves, all of that affects how we show up in the world. If you notice the thoughts that you have when you go into your closet are not what you want them to be, consider changing them. Consider adopting a new thought. Consider writing it on a sticky note and hanging it in your closet to remind you to practice this new thought. I know when I was like 12, I read somewhere that our body is listening to everything we say. And it doesn't know if we are speaking truth or not. It just takes our word for it. So I learned from a very young age never to say, "Oh, I'm fat," ever. Why would I say that? My body is listening. My body wants to make it so. So just notice the thoughts you have. It is so true that what we focus on expands. And if we're focusing on thoughts that are negative about ourselves, about our bodies, about our clothes, AKA about our life, then consider changing them. I have a program called How to Curate a Wardrobe You Love, and it walks you through the steps of how to make powerful decisions so that you can get dressed with ease, without frustration, and go confidently into the world, knowing you always look your best. As a closet coach inside of the program, I'm there to answer your questions, to coach you, and to be available to help you through this process. I look forward to working with you. I believe every woman deserves to show up as the best version of herself every day, if for no other reason than for you. Let's go.